Have you ever felt like your voice didn't matter? I sure did. I was raised to be seen and not heard. I overcame my own fears and stage fright, and I found my voice, and I continue to find my voice. Along my path, I discovered that my intense auditory sensitivity and intuition gave me the skills and ability to hear and experience other people's voices, to activate and turn up their volume so that these folks could make their impact for good. What is called for in the world right now is what I call the 6 C's of language arts: speaking with consciousness, clarity, courage, courtesy, compassion, and inclusion. Civil and respectful dialogue are what's needed. It's time to develop your charisma, evolve and mature your speech, and master that camera presence so that you can lead and influence those that you are meant to lead and influence. I'm Dr. Miluna, and I invite you to reach out and connect with me now.